E visto che avete ballato, adesso cantate voi a posto nostro, giusto Chris?
Io voglio sentire un po' di voce perché non so se mi funziona il microfono. Vediamo un attimo. Ah! Più forte? Un po' più forte? Oh, siete pronti, ok? Possiamo fare questa cosa.
Ok, pensi possiamo iniziare? Alright.
She's a story about Minnie in the moonshine. She was a low-down huge chick. She was like the stoutest friend, but Minnie at heart has been as a woman. Smoking, shit nothing though he was studying. He took her down to Chinatown and he showed her how to keep the dog around. He gave her home in Douglasville and died from God with the light of this. And his race is horses. Each way she aged moves